Hello, we're back. Ruby, Penny Tube. Ruby and Penny are sniffing for dog poops. Ruby is thinking about digging. She's thinking. Penny's trying to.
Doggies are very happy that they're outside.
Ruby is eating some weeds. And this, and this is not ours. Penny's just roaming around. Ruby is sniffing. Any dogs have peed there. She's going under the maple tree. Nope. Penny's going pee. Now they're running. And now Ruby, oh, they're both going in the driveway. They're going to the basketball hoop. This is really fun. Penny went all the way around the house and back. They're going in the woods. They're going in the woods. Ruby's going in the woods. She's trapped. Ruby's coming out. Ruby's going back in. Oh! Ruby has a baseball, and Penny is trying to steal it. Penny, Ruby, they're going in our neighbor's yard. What the? This is ours. NHL ball. Where is it? There it is. Ruby! That is our end of the video. Goodbye. Bye.
This is very unnecessary, but our puppy's playing in this. We did not recognize that.